In this tutorial, I will show you Note tool in Adobe Photoshop. So let's jump on it. I am here now in Adobe Photoshop. Note tool is located here. I am right clicking, eyedropper tool, color sampler tool, ruler tool, then Note tool. So I am accessing this tool from here. Note tool is, you can consider, or suppose you think you are a buyer, you have a buyer has different language than your mother language. So there is certain gap between communication to take an instruction from client. But if client can able to instruct in certain area of the images, which part then he or she needed amendment, so it will be better without any email or anything else. Easily he or she can communicate with you with the instruction. So that's why Note tool is very important tool in Adobe Photoshop. Say your client name is something else, anything else, client. I am writing here client. So author name is client. Color, he is making this color red color, and clicking here in the screen of this laptop. So now the notepad is appeared, and he and she write that please change the screen of the laptop. Secondly, client write please change the window scene. Then she write please change the wall color. So guess in this way your client provide notes for the image where and in which part he or she needs the amendment, and then your client save as PSD. Here I am saving. Now he or she send the file to you. Now you open the PSD file and you got the notes. You can easily click here. You can able to see that where your client instructed for this area. Please change the window scene. Okay. Then you can write I am freelancer designer. I better write designer. I am changing this color to green. Sorry, actually no, this Note tool is selected. Okay, so I am clicking here and change the color to green and write the note designer. Okay, and my note is done. Also clicking here, my note is done, and I have changed the wall color to anything else. Now I am saving this and send this file to client. So client see the PSD file and also see the amendment you have done for the client work, and he find easily without any more communication or anything else there. After seeing this, he or she can easily clear all, so that all the note has been gone. So that is it was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe my channel. Keep editing.